Hi, this is James Schmelzer. I'm in Chicago at the Boutique Photo Loft, and we're photographing this beautiful model here. But to make this happen, I have my 4 Icelights mounted up on a bracket. And what that does is going to make the light a little bit bigger, wider, and softer, and of course, brighter. So you can see here I put some colored gels on here, and what we're working is the blues against the pinks today. And then I have a silver reflector underneath here. The pink is basically hitting the background, a little bit of spill on her, and this is coming in. I white balanced the camera without the blue gel on. I set all my settings, then I put the blue gel on so that you're not correcting for it, because I want it to be blue. And you'll be able to look at a few photographs that we've just taken, and just an easy technique. So if you're looking to get yourself one of these beautiful brackets that hold 4 Icelights, or you could take the sides off and hold 2 Icelights, you can bend it around, you can flip it, you can shoot through it. I use it for double the output here and a little bit to make the lights a little bit wider. You can get this at Pro Media Gear Chicago. So let's look at a couple of these photographs and see what you could do with constant lights, simple reflector, light behind and here. And of course you need a beautiful model.